toilet paper yung tissue. This is my first makeup Hi guys, it's me, Janine Gutierrez, and I've been getting requests from some of you asking about the usual look that I do. So here's a video. I kinda just woke up. I've showered and dried my hair and washed my face, but we haven't done skincare, so let's do that. Yeah. Okay. I've been really wanting to try this thing. I got the Jade Roller. I know that it's supposed to depuff your face, and my face is always puffy when I wake up because I sleep nakadapa, nakagilid, and that's really bad for your skin. It really creates wrinkles, and I wish na parang bangkay ako matulog pero hindi ko talaga kaya, guys. So, we have to do what we gotta do. Like, use some facial spray. So, it's either Evian or Evian, whatever works for you. I have really dry skin, so I really need to use moisturizer. And I've recently tried this Creme De La Mer. Can you see? Oh my god, I'm gonna do that vlogger thing, covering the hands. So, it comes out like this. Super thick, and you have to spread it in your hands until it becomes clear, and then you press it in your screen. I know something from Dr. Vacay. She said that you don't really need to use moisturizer. Apparently, it's not a must. I just really only put moisturizer if my skin is super dry, and I put it only in the parts that are dry, like not in the oily parts like my nose, my T-zone, my chin. Usually just on my cheeks and around my lips. And then this is also my favorite. It's a bit lighter than a moisturizer. This is the Mer Renewal Oil, and you just put like 2 or 3 drops, and then you warm it in your hands and press it on the skin. I put this in my fridge overnight, so let's see how this feels. Okay, in fairness, ang sarap. Do it in one motion only, like upwards lang. Kasi nga ang point niya is para hindi magsag yung skin mo. Siya na ito. Something I learned from Mamita. One time I went to her house after work and I was asking her for makeup remover and she saw me doing it. Tapos ganun ko lang. And she said, always upwards, always upwards. So if you want to look like Mamita when you're her, you should always go upwards. Okay, makeup time. What we should never forget, sunblock. This is Belo, SunExpert sunblock. I used to never put sunblock and I used to tan so much, but now I know how bad it is for you. And kunyari, if there's just one thing that you could put every day, it should be sunblock. Put a bit everywhere. Okay, so we need to put a bit of foundation. This is Infallible Pro Matte, and I am a natural beige 105. There. Can you see it? There. Oh my god, that hand thing really works. Okay. My skin is naturally super red. Can you see? Oh, there. You just gotta get it everywhere. And then we use concealer just for those extra parts. So I just put this under my eyes. I do sort of a wispy effect that goes down so that it blends more easily, and then the spots that are still on your face. Okay, now we just set everything with powder. I use this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder just to get all those loose ones out. Okay guys, we're halfway through. We just put a little contour. This is my favorite palette to bring. This is the Tom Ford Contouring Compact. I love it because it has everything. I just like to put a bit. And then Rihanna said you should put under your chin to get the double chin, and she said to do it in a triangle. And whatever Rihanna says is the truth. I like to put a bit on my nose just for shadow. Not really a nose line. And then, since super pangmadalian na to, and I usually do this sort of makeup in the car, I like to use these sticks. This is a Bobbi Brown art stick, and I like to put some on my eyelids. You can use lipstick on your eyes, and lipstick on your cheeks, and blush on your eyes. That way you don't have to bring so many things when you're trying to do your makeup on the go. Super spread it just so it brightens up your eyes and gives it a bit of definition. Then we do blush. Cloud Paint in Beam on your cheekbones. I learned from DJ, who is super good at makeup, that you should put some blush also in your nose if you're going for a natural glow, because that's where the sun would hit it if you had an actual sunburn, if you were just really actually sun-kissed, to go there and put a bit on your chin. Okay, now let's do brows. For the longest time, I always see that Miss Thing posts brow soap as the product she uses on my brows, and I'm wondering, what is this brow soap? Does she make it on her own? And then when I went to Japan for Louis Vuitton with Anthea, she gave me the soap in the hotel. Apparently, this is one of the things you can use as like a brow gel. As long as it's a clear soap, then it's probably high in glycerin. I'm gonna use this spoolie, and let's just wet the soap. It's my first time to try this. Get some on there. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, galing. Sabon. I don't really put any more pencil because my eyebrows are already so thick, so I just like to kind of groom them. Now let's just do mascara. Eyelash curler is my favorite tool, because if that's all you have, then it's already a big change in your look. It opens your eyes, makes you look awake. And mascara. This is my favorite as of the moment. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. I like it because I like that the wand, it's not your typical spoolie wand. Let's do that. Start from the base, going up. And usually they say that 2 coats is enough. We are almost done. I got this new Sunnies Face Glowboss stick. Hey girl. Let's do it. Just oh, it's a it's creamy. It's a nice cake. This one swipe already puts a lot of color on your cheekbones and spread it out. You can also put on your nose bridge and on, oh my gosh, I don't know kung tawag dito. It's a bow, the bow of your lip. Okay, now we do lipstick. Let's use Vacay from Sunnies. This is my favorite peachy color. Some definition under our eye. They're just super light around the outer corners. Charlotte Tilbury. Color Chameleon AmberHaze. There. This is a super basic makeup look that I do. So I hope you learned something. Let me know if you also have tips for me. But what's cool about makeup is actually that you really just learn along the way and you learn what works for your face. Everybody has their own style, so you do you, girly. This is my first makeup tutorial, guys. I'll see you guys at the next video, and comment, tell me anything. I would love to read that, so see you guys soon. Bye!